In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube playlist in WordPress. If you've ever wanted to showcase a collection of videos on your website, for instance, a series of tutorials or vlogs, embedding a playlist is a great way to do it. This method provides a seamless viewing experience for your audience and also keeps your site looking clean and organized. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Head over to YouTube and find the playlist you'd like to embed. Once you've found it, click on the playlist title to open the full playlist view. This is crucial because you need to access the specific URL and embed options for the entire playlist, not just an individual video. Now that you've got your playlist open, look for the Share button, which is normally located right below the playlist title. Clicking this button will give you several options. You'll want to choose the Embed option, which will reveal an embed code. It's a piece of HTML that lets you insert this playlist into websites like WordPress. Take a moment to glance over the code. It will show your playlist title and basic dimensions, which you can later adjust if needed. With your embed code ready, let's hop over to your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page or post where you want the playlist to appear. Once there, you'll want to enter the edit mode. Depending on your setup, you might be using the Gutenberg editor or the classic WordPress editor, but don't worry, this process works in both. If you're using the Gutenberg editor, look for the button to add a new block. From the block options, you should find one labeled Custom HTML. Select that block because that's where you'll paste your embed code. Really, this step is all about creating a spot in your content where the code can live. On the flip side, if you're using the classic WordPress editor, what you want to do is switch to the Text tab rather than the Visual tab. This switch is vital because embedding code directly affects the page layout, and the Text tab ensures it's interpreted correctly. Once switched, you can paste your embed code wherever you want the playlist to appear. Now that the code is in place, feel free to customize a few parameters if you'd like before saving. You can modify the width and height of the video displayed, but remember to maintain the aspect ratio for optimal video quality. After making any adjustments, save your changes and preview your page to see the playlist in action. And there you have it, your playlist is now seamlessly integrated into your WordPress site. It should be fully functional, allowing users to play through the list directly from your page. By embedding a YouTube playlist, you enhance the interactive experience on your site, potentially increasing user engagement. So whether you're showcasing tutorials, music hits, or your own content, this method ensures easy access for your viewers. Happy embedding, and see you next time.